rhythm a try. Part A, part 1 of part A. Da 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 da. Then you do it twice. Da 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 and that's all there is to part A. Now we're going to try part B, and part B is just a little bit harder, simply because it's got some quick changes, but I don't think we'll have any problem with that. Let's go. That wasn't that hard, was it? Anyways, that's the rhythm to it. And it is done out of D. If you do it with two guitars, it sounds real good if you've got one playing out of D, the rhythm, and then the lead playing, you know, capoed on the 2nd fret. So since I'm doing the rhythm lesson on that, let's just go ahead and do it out of the key of D with the capo off. You do it again. And that's part A. Now for part B. Failed to mention on that, when you play it in D, it's D, G, and A, or D, or you can use D, G, and A7. I think that's what I was using. And the off, or the minor chord in that was an E minor, or the 2 of the major scale. So that's the rhythm. Okay. You did that twice, there's no need for me to go over it again. Now for the part B. The basic melody down. What you do is you put some little hammer-ons, some slides and pull-offs, and maybe some bends, whatever, and dress it up to whatever fits your particular style. Anyways, I hope that's helped out some.